The replacement motor for the Nano Talon came today from Canada. Bummer, $24 for this motor and $24 for FedExing it. I really, it came in like 4 days, even with the snow, but those shipping charges are kind of high. So there's the Nano Talon working again. I had to take the little compass mount apart on the Nano Talon so I could make sure this was mounted correctly, because I've got a little problem with the compass on it that showed up in the telemetry after the flight. Let me show you that. And this is the reason I'm checking out the compass. This is what's called auto analysis of a data flash log, and this is for that last flight. I heard some compass problems during that flight, but not like when I got back on the ground and started looking at the data flash logs and telemetry logs. And right here it says test compass failed, warning, large compass offset perimeters. Large compass offset in mag data, large change in mag field, 82.3%, max field length, whatever. So I'm going to have to dig down into this. That's why I was looking to see how the compass was mounted in the Nano Talon. I didn't do it. MRO built this. Also, while we're here, we're going to go over and look real quick at the throttle max right here. This value. This may have been why my auto takeoff didn't work. This is set to 75. I don't know why it's set to 75. I don't know if MRO set it to that or not. I know the default for version 4.1.6 is 100. Now I'm both going to set this back to 100. I'll write that parameter. And in the future, this take off throttle max. This right here is the takeoff throttle max. It's set to 0 here, but that parameter I just changed from 75 to 100 is used if this was 0. Now I did set that back to 100 up there. I don't know if MRO had set it to 75 because of some kind of in-flight whatever. I don't know where that came from. I do know it's not the default, but I'm also going to start coming in here and setting this explicitly here so that it doesn't fall back to that THR underscore max. And that's the way I'm going to do my platforms. And let's see, we need to save this now to the mission planner for the Nano Talon. Real quick, I'm going to compare those two to see what's different. Got a lot of things going on right here today. 4.16, what is different? These two are the major differences that's going to make any difference here. Uh, I did set throttle max to 100 and takeoff throttle max to 100. So yes, I can save that. Save to file, overwrite. So that should have the Nano Talon back in flight status, ready to be flown again. I do have to see what's going on with that compass on the next flight. I haven't done an auto mission with this one yet, like I did the Mini Talon. Uh, but the auto mission, I probably will try another auto takeoff. I'd rather break the Nano Talon that I didn't build rather than the Mini Talon that I did build. So I think that's it. With that, it'll be ready to go again.
And the last little slight problem on the Nano Talon is when I took the battery out of it after the flight, uh, just this little amount of Velcro, this whole piece of plywood came delaminated out of that area. I mean, I'm just going to put another piece of Velcro down in there, but that was a little bit of a bummer that that plywood was so flimsy that rather than this Velcro let loose, that whole piece came out. I'll just have to be more careful with that in the future. Okay, thank you guys.